Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix the following too frequently error on TikTok that pops up when you're trying to follow someone. Let's get started. If you're getting this error, here's how you can fix it step by step. Open the TikTok app on your device. Go to your TikTok profile by tapping on your profile icon. In the top right corner, tap on the menu icon to access the options. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you find the Report a Problem option and tap on it. Next, you'll see a list of categories. Tap on Interaction and then select the Follow option. Choose Following Too Fast from the options available. On this screen, tap on Need More Help at the bottom. Now, you'll be directed to a message box. Here's what you need to do. Describe your issue briefly, or copy and paste this message. I'm experiencing the following too frequently error when trying to follow accounts. Please help resolve this issue. Send the message to TikTok support. TikTok will review your request and typically resolve this issue within a few days. That's it. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful TikTok tips. See you in the next one.